You ever notice something funny about pickup trucks? Some of them look tough. Big tires, loud exhaust, shiny paint. But give it a few years, and suddenly they're spending more time in the shop than on the road. And then there are other trucks. They don't look flashy. They don't scream for attention. But somehow, they just keep going. Year after year, 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, sometimes more, still starting every morning like it's nothing. Now, let me ask you something real quick. If you had the chance to buy one truck, just one, and never worry about it breaking down for the next 15, 20 years, wouldn't that change everything? Because today, I'm going to show you 3 pickup trucks that mechanics respect. Not because of marketing, not because of ads, but because in real garages, real workshops, real job sites, these trucks refuse to die. And I'm telling you this not as a salesman, but as someone who has actually seen these trucks come in broken and leave years later still running strong. So let's start with something important first.
Why most trucks fail early. Before we jump into the trucks, you need to understand something most people never think about. Modern trucks don't usually fail because of one big disaster. They fail slowly. A sensor here, a transmission hiccup there, electrical issues that no one can fully trace, overcomplicated engines trying to meet strict emissions rules. And what happens? People start fixing one thing, then another, and suddenly the truck isn't cheap anymore. It's a money pit. But here's the truth mechanics learn over time. The best trucks aren't the most powerful. They aren't the most expensive. They are the ones built with simple, strong, proven engineering. And that's exactly what this list is about. So let's get into the first one.
Truck number 1, the Toyota Tacoma. Now, I'll be honest with you. If I had $1 for every time someone said, "Man, my Tacoma just won't die," I could probably retire early. The Toyota Tacoma isn't just a truck. It's almost like a legend in the mechanic world. Why? Because Toyota didn't try to make it fancy. They focused on one thing. Build it once, build it right, and let it last. So what makes it so reliable? Let's break it down like we're in the garage. The Tacoma's engines, especially the older 4.0-liter V6, are known for one thing. They are overbuilt. What does that mean in real life? It means the engine isn't constantly stressed. It's not pushed to its absolute limit just to perform daily driving every day. So instead of wearing out quickly, it just keeps going. I've seen Tacomas come in with 250,000 miles, 300,000 miles, even 400,000 miles. And the weird part? The engine is still original. No rebuild, no major internal damage, just regular maintenance.
Simple equals strong. One thing Toyota did right is they avoided unnecessary complexity. No over-engineered turbo systems in older models, no fragile electronics controlling everything. Just a solid engine, solid transmission, and a body built to take abuse. And that's why farmers love it. Construction workers trust it, and off-road drivers swear by it. Because when you're deep in mud, mountains, or desert heat, you don't want advanced features. You want something that starts. Real-world story. I remember a guy coming into the shop with a Tacoma that looked rough. Dented doors, faded paint, dirty interior. But he told me something I'll never forget. This truck has never left me stranded. Not once in 12 years. We checked it expecting major issues. But honestly, it just needed basic service. Oil, brakes, minor suspension work. That's it. No drama, no expensive surprises.
The trade-off. Now, let's be real for a second. The Tacoma isn't perfect. It's not the fastest truck, it's not the most comfortable on long highway drives, and it's not the cheapest when new. But here's the truth mechanics understand. Comfort fades. Speed gets old. But reliability saves you money every single year. And that's where the Tacoma wins. Why people keep buying it? Even used Tacomas sell for crazy prices. Why would someone pay so much for an old truck? Because they know something most buyers eventually learn. A cheap, unreliable truck becomes expensive very fast. But a reliable truck just keeps working. And the Tacoma sits right at the top of that trust list. All right, so we already talked about the Toyota Tacoma, the truck that quietly refuses to die. But now we're stepping into something a bit different. Because not everyone needs a mid-sized truck. Some people need more power, more towing, more long-distance durability, more workhorse energy. And that brings us to truck number 2. Truck number 2, the Toyota Tundra. Now listen, if the Tacoma is the survivor, the Toyota Tundra is the heavyweight that just won't go down. This is the truck you see on job sites, towing boats, hauling equipment, and somehow still running like it's barely broken in. And here's the key thing mechanics notice about the Tundra. It's built with under-stressed engineering. That means Toyota didn't try to squeeze every bit of performance out of the engine. They built it with breathing room, and that changes everything. The heart of the Tundra. One of the most respected engines in truck history sits inside this beast, the 5.7-liter V8. Now, I want you to imagine something simple. Instead of pushing a small engine hard every day, Toyota gave this truck a big, relaxed engine that doesn't struggle. So what happens? Less stress equals less wear. Less heat equals longer life. Less pressure equals fewer breakdowns. It's like asking a strong, healthy person to walk slowly all day instead of sprinting everywhere until they collapse. That's the Tundra philosophy. Real shop experience. I remember a customer who used his Tundra for towing construction trailers every single day. Not light work, heavy loads, constant strain. He came in expecting transmission problems after years of abuse. But when we checked it, the transmission was still solid. No slipping, no overheating, no major damage. We just changed fluids, replaced a few worn suspension parts, and sent it back out. And he said something I'll never forget. I stopped worrying about this truck years ago. That's the Tundra effect. Why it lasts so long. There are 3 big reasons this truck survives where others fail. 1. Overbuilt engine block. The V8 isn't pushed to its limit. 2. Simple drivetrain design. Less unnecessary complexity means fewer failure points. 3. Strong cooling system. Heat is the enemy of engines, and Toyota handled it well here. The one thing people miss. Now, let me be honest with you. The Tundra is reliable, but not invisible. If you ignore maintenance, it will still fail like anything else. But here's the difference. It forgives mistakes better than most trucks. Miss an oil change? It won't instantly die. Tough towing job? It can handle it. Long highway miles? No problem. It gives you room to breathe. Why people love it? Owners don't usually say, "This truck is fast." They say, "This truck never lets me down." And that mindset is everything. Because when your truck becomes part of your income, your work, your life, reliability becomes more important than anything else. Mechanic verdict. If you need heavy towing capability, long-term durability, minimal breakdown risk, a truck that can handle abuse for years, then the Tundra is one of the safest full-size trucks ever built. But now, we move to the final truck. And this one is interesting because it's not about being the biggest or the flashiest. It's about pure American diesel strength. And some people still swear it's the most indestructible truck ever made.
Truck number 3. Ford F-150 3.5-liter EcoBoost. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ford? Really? And I get it, because Ford has a mixed reputation depending on who you ask. But the F-150 is different. Why? Because this is not just a truck. This is the best-selling pickup truck in America for decades. And there's a reason for that. The real story behind the F-150. The F-150 isn't one single engine story. It's a platform. And 2 engines stand out when it comes to long-term durability. The 5.0-liter V8 Coyote engine and the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 when properly maintained. Now let's break it down like a mechanic would. The 5.0 V8. Pure, simple power. The 5.0 is the old-school feeling engine. No extreme complexity, no overthinking. Just a strong V8 that loves regular maintenance. When treated right, it can easily push past 250,000, 300,000 miles. Why? Because it's mechanically straightforward. And in the truck world, simple often means reliable. Real shop experience. I've seen fleet F-150s come in with ridiculous mileage. One delivery company truck hit over 320,000 miles. Original engine. Still running daily routes. Of course, it wasn't perfect. Wear items like suspension and brakes were replaced, but the heart of the truck was still strong. Okay, the EcoBoost surprise. Now, the EcoBoost engines are where things get interesting. Some people love them. Some people hate them. But here's the truth mechanics see. If maintained properly, they can last a very long time. If ignored, they become expensive quickly. They rely more on turbo systems, direct injection, cooling efficiency. So maintenance matters more than ever. Final comparison. What should you choose? So let's make this simple, like we're standing right in the garage. Toyota Tacoma. Best for long life with minimal issues, off-road reliability, and low maintenance stress. Toyota Tundra. Best for heavy towing, work trucks, maximum durability under load. Ford F-150. Best for versatility, power options, wide availability and service support. Thanks for watching.